Hello guys, welcome to Smart Tutorial, and today I am going to explain you the differences between XPath and CSS Selector. So please guys subscribe and like my channel. And XPath and CSS Selector is basically the locators of Selenium WebDriver. So they are basically used for locating the web elements. The first difference is XPath syntax is /tag_name in brackets at attribute equals to value, and the CSS selector syntax is tag name and in brackets attribute equals to in quotes value. Okay, the next difference is XPath allow bidirectional flow, which means the transversal can be both way, from parent to child and child to parent as well. And in CSS it allow only one directional flow, which means the transversal in from parent to child only. Okay, now I'm going to explain you the next difference. XPath is slower while CSS selector is more faster and better than XPath. Okay, basically the CSS is used to provide styling to HTML elements like color, fonts, background, images, while XPath is used to select nodes or node sets in an XML document. The XPath are two types. They have their types also, which is absolute XPath and relative XPath. Absolute XPath is direct way to find the element, but in the absolute path, if done any changes in the path of the element, then that XPath get failed. XPath is that it began with the single forwarded slash, which means you can select the element from the root node. And in relative XPath, it starts from the middle of the HTML DOM. Start with double forwarded slash. It can search element anywhere on the web pages, means no need to write a long XPath, and you can start from the middle of the HTML DOM structure. So this is the differences of the CSS selector and the XPath of Selenium WebDriver. Thank you guys.